Okay. Yeah, I can edit out the beginning and the ending and all that. Okay, so we're going to try a little bit of energy healing, and we've got lots of electrical energy going on. No wonder my hair was standing on end.
There you go.
I felt that. That's crazy.
God is telling you, go ahead, do it now.
Okay, where do you want? Where do you want?
This side is
Okay.
always warm.
All right.
Wait, not yet.
Don't overthink.
Just receiving.
Tell me what you're feeling.
Warm.
Speak up.
I'm feeling warm. Really good warm.
You have to speak up. Oops, now you're moving back. I pulled it out of you just then.
Sorry.
That's okay. Now you're moving back again. That's so cool. It's like I'm pulling it out of you.
I know. Will you stop pulling me?
I'm not pulling. Mine got the lightest touch.
getting
That is so
warmer.
crazy. Is it getting warmer?
Mm-hmm.
Now I feel it letting go. Wow, that's incredible.
It sure is.
There you go again. Okay. On this side a little bit.
Yes. Oh, wow, that is warm.
She keeps falling
Keep
back.
going
You
down.
see that? Yeah, it's because the There you go. She said, "Isn't that cool?"
It is cool, but
Sorry,
I don't want to fall.
I got you. If you fall back, I got you. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. There you go. All right. Now we'll do the apple thing just to see if I can do that. So her intention is just on her fingers on my palms, round it as much as you can. There you go. Yeah, that's right. And so then all I'm going to do is just start to put my energy through her, and there she goes. That's so cool. What do you feel?
Like you're pushing me?
I'm
but
not
you're
putting
not.
on,
I
yeah.
know, your hands are just right here.
I promise this is spontaneous. This is not
It is.
planned. Yeah, we
It is.
didn't do anything to.
I don't fake.
No.
Ooh.
There, I went through her low back that time. Did you see that? Did you see that? I
I
felt.
felt it.
Okay, let me try a different part of the body and see. Do it again, and I'm
Like
gonna
the
just
hands like it?
same thing, but
my
I'm just gonna
hands are
send. That time I sent the energy through your low back,
Oh.
and that's why you went like that.
Okay.
So this time I'm gonna send it.
That was freaky.
It is freaky. Go ahead and round your hand a little bit. There you go. So this time, and try to get a little flesh on your fingers on my, yeah. This time I'm going to send it through a different body part and see if I can. It was her left knee.
Damn.
No, it was this knee. And that,
I
you just
know,
went
this,
like that.
This is the one that went like, yeah.
This is so
one-
crazy.
yes.
This is so crazy.
Okay. You know, do it to my brain. Maybe I get more
Your brain's perfect.
IQ.
Your brain is perfect the way it is. Okay. That was, can you tell me what that was?
I felt it on this one.
Okay, so there is a diagonal relationship, so I was trying to go through here. And
okay.
say, yeah. All right. Thank you all. Thanks for watching and our experimentation. So we got to go
good,
because
good,
it's going to thunderstorm. We've been camping, thus the camping clothes.
Yes.
Well, I hope that takes.